What's up guys, your boy Ferdiford. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a tutorial guys. So one of the comment asking me to do a hair tutorial, but I'm not gonna do my own tutorial yet. So I'm asking other barbers to do it for me. And today we have our guest barber Zuhry in the house. Today introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Zuhry. I'm 24 years old. I've been cutting hair for 3 years. I'm married, so I'm married to my beautiful wife. Yeah, I think that's all. I don't need to introduce so much. It's not Tinder.
Swipe left. Okay, so Zuhry, so what kind of hairstyle are you gonna do, and what kind of fade you gonna teach us?
So this is a French crop. It's a skin fade, but I don't like to say if it's mid or high, because that's like to each their own. Like different barbers. My mid fade could be a high fade for different barber. It could be a low fade for different barber, you know.
Okay guys, skin fade, French crop. So you guys judge, is it a mid or high? Okay, so here we go. Is he always been your client?
He wasn't my client. He was my friend's friend. Yeah, my NS friend lah.
Oh.
My NS friend's friend.
Then
So actually I don't know him at all lah. But then my friend introduced him to me. So that's
okay.
how.
So he's
been cutting with me for like already, I think 1.5 years already. Yeah.
Okay. So you're doing a 1.5?
Yeah, this is a 1.5 open. So what I'm doing is I'm just creating a baseline, so I don't fade any higher than that.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just use a 1.5 open to like remove bulk first. Yeah. And then now I'm putting in my guideline with my trimmers. So this is where my zero will be. The skin will be a bit lower than that, and then from there I'll fade upwards.
So you usually do a zero first for your guideline, and then skin at the right.
Yeah.
So now you're clearing the bulk.
Yeah. Some barbers I don't know why they don't like to clear the bulk one shot when they're holding the trimmers already. I like to it saves time lah. You just clear.
Yeah, clear first.
Clear first, then you don't need to touch the trimmer until like at the end when you do lineup or whatever.
Okay.
So yeah, this is the no guard open.
Okay.
So I'm just doing maybe I think about 1 inch guideline.
Wait. Some people say it's 0.5 open, some people say it's no guard open.
It's the same.
It's the same?
Yeah. 0.5 and no guard open is.
It's the same. Okay guys.
No, this is I think this is from what I know. This is a 0.5. 0.5 open will be like you put the 0.5 guard.
Oh yeah.
Then you open the lever. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is no guard open lah.
Okay.
I think it's easier if you want to follow step, you follow by the guard name.
Correct. So this is no guard.
This is no guard and open. So this what I'm doing now. I'm using my foil shaver to do the skin. So as you can see, there's a
0.5 guideline there.
So it's just below the zero line by a bit, maybe by
1 inch or half an inch maybe.
Maybe quarter of an inch. And then at the back, I will stretch it out to maybe half an inch, because the back area of the hair is usually more thick.
Oh,
yeah, it's thicker. So
yeah, correct.
You have to stretch it a bit so it will fit.
I interview you like I don't know anything.
I mean, you don't know how I do it, right?
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So right now you are doing a blend.
So now so how I blend my guidelines in general is I will open the lever first, and then I'll try to remove whatever guideline is already there.
Okay, this is no guard guys, no guard.
Yeah, this is no guard. So this is maybe I think this is halfway open or halfway closed, whatever you wanna think. Yeah, and then if the line is still there, then I close it slowly.
Like, but
every time I close, I don't go as high lah.
Okay.
So as you can see, I'm just flicking
off just now.
I was just flicking off the line. I wasn't like going up. I was just like flicking my wrist a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the next step is?
Then the next step for me. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. Just now when I was doing the 1.5 open, after I remove all the bulk, I'll close it, so I don't need to pick up the 1.5 guard anymore.
So when you are doing the clearing the bulk, as in the first step ever is 1.5 guard open, and then close just to blend it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for me, I like to fade downwards. I only like to put the no guard open guideline.
Other than
Because
that,
if I put more guidelines later, you have to remove more guidelines. So from here, I wouldn't say it's freehand. It's just like
yeah, understand.
I'm just used to it lah. So this right now I'm doing a number 1 open to lighten up that line. If you can see just above his temple area, there's a line there.
Okay.
The one I'm flicking at, but I'm not going as high as the baseline.
Where
I'm
you stop
flicking
just
out
now.
just before the blade, maybe a bit before the baseline.
Okay.
Yeah, and then
So this is what
I
you do
just
lah.
closed. Yeah, then you can see I didn't go as high as before
When you close, you won't go as high lah. Just
Yeah.
gonna flick at that
at that line.
to make it more lighten up.
Lighten up,
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So same thing
Yeah,
here.
at the back. But at the back is usually the hardest one, right? Like you have to like really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as you can see, his hair grows. He doesn't grow
Yeah,
straight
it
down,
goes
so
like that,
have to
yeah.
go at an angle or in a certain direction. So this is my 0 guard or 0.5 guard. I don't know. This is the smallest guard basically.
Close or open? For now?
Open first
Okay, open
to
first.
lighten up.
Okay.
Then I will usually do halfway and then it should be gone lah. It should be gone. It should be gone by then.
Shake your bacon.
Yeah. If it doesn't go, then I will close even more lah. Yeah.
So the more you close, the guideline will be gone lah.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, you will flick it. The reason why you flick it, you don't want to make another.
Yeah, I don't want to make another guideline. I don't like to make guidelines because then it will be a hassle to remove the guidelines.
So you have like remove again and
So you
again.
just have to remove instead of removing like maybe 2 guidelines. I just have to remove that one
Correct,
guideline.
understand.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
It's okay. So right now you are actually clearing the bulb.
Now I'm just
Clip
clip
over.
over comb like the excess area at the top,
Okay.
just a bit. Yeah, I don't try to remove it fully or blend it fully because different head shape right then it might go in. Then I might bring the fade even higher than I want. So I just do whatever I can.
To actually blend it in.
Yeah, then I take my thinning shears or some people call it blending shears just to blend the area lah. A bit.
Okay. Kau nak answer tu dulu.
Okay, yeah. Hello? Hello tengah rekod ni. Beef prosperity, double beef prosperity. If kalau masih ada tak apa, make spicy je senang. I don't know still have or not. Yeah, make spicy, upsize air gaji, upsize the bigger one, medium. Ni dah nak ambil lagi 3 minit video habis. Okay. sorry. So as you can see, I'm just using some thinning shears. Then now I'm just lining up his C-cup. Some people call it hook.
Okay.
You cannot really see until I use the razor.
But usually it's like that, right?
Yeah, it's usually like that lah. Once you use the razor, then you can really see lah.
Okay.
So my client didn't want to cut the top.
Okay.
He just want to thin it out. So I'm doing it like
Across cut,
diagonally,
Okay.
just to maybe add
Texture
texture
lah.
a bit lah. And I never close my thinning shears fully lah because I
So
don't
he
want to
just
take off
want
too
a
much.
very
Because he
light-
say he just want to thin down a bit only. So yeah.
Okay.
Then now I just line up the front lah. So some people have a specific way, like they go to the left
exactly.
first
So
or they start
I
from the
want to
middle.
ask you that. So usually how do you do your line up, like from the start? From
For
the
me, I
middle?
just start in the middle, like then I just go to whichever side I'm standing on. Let's say I'm on his right side, then I go to the right side of the
But
head.
you always start in the middle first lah. Then
Yeah.
you okay.
To me, it doesn't matter which side lah. As long as
Yeah,
in the
okay.
end it's straight lah.
True enough.
Straight or nice lah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So right
so now
with
just
the-
razor. Then as I razor, you can see the lineup even better.
Yeah. True enough.
Yeah. Then now you cannot see the C-cup lah.
Yeah.
or
Correct.
the
Now
hook.
you can see the
Now you can see better.
C-cup / hook.
Yeah. Of course, have to use like water or
Shaving gel.
shaving gel lah. Yeah.
Okay. So the style up. What you're using right now?
So now I'm using some hair styling mousse.
Hairstyling mousse.
Yeah. So how I use mousse is I just treat it as like a pre-styler, or I put it on before I blow dry the hair.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't blow dry first. So for like crop, usually I will just blow dry first and everything, and then at the end I will touch up lah. So as you can see, you can see the area just now I lighten up with the shears blends a lot better
True enough.
than before. Yeah.
Quite style lah, you style the hair. Quite nice ah. Nice. So there's the finishing touch of his crop top skin fade. Mid or high, you guys can like maybe drop on the comment section below. Okay guys, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell or something to view more videos of something like these videos lah. Thanks Zuhry for being a guest barber on my channel.
Thank you for wasting my time.
Please follow Barber Zuhry on his Instagram. It's over here. So just follow his Instagram. Over there, there's a link tree for you to follow, to click on. Then from there you can see his other stuff lah. Yeah, you can book with him also if you want. Okay. So yeah. Bye.
My wife waiting already.
Okay, bye Zuhry.
Yeah, bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.